This is Pipa here, and we're gonna show you the secret farm that we are staying in, right?
Come here.
We're gonna follow Pipa. We're gonna go right here. All right, so what do we call this area right here? Oh, okay, so this is a pavilion, guys. Right here, very nice. There's a bar right here. We have a pool table right here.
This is.
You wanna play some pool?
Yeah.
Karaoke right here. We have darts right here and a bar. The pool.
Hey,
Wait, we're gonna show them the pool real quick.
that's my pool.
That's Pipa's pool
This is my pool there.
right there.
Hey,
Okay. There's seating areas here. These are the Ifugao houses. We're gonna stay at this one right here, but we're gonna show that to you guys later. Go over here, Pipa. There's Pipa. Let's show them where the putt-putt golf course is. So this all lights up here. Wow. So we have a putt-putt golf course. We're gonna play that a little bit later. Look at these cool chairs. And then we have a, by the way, they have dinner here. They have food. Cool. All the way up the stairs here. Okay, so we're gonna come through here. We're not gonna show you all the Ifugao houses because I'm not sure who's staying here or not. Okay, but that's real, authentic, traditional Ifugao houses. Here's a pool. More like a kiddie pool. It's 3 feet. So if you're staying in this one right here, you have a pool right behind you, which is cool, but wait till you see ours. Okay, so again, this is another angle. Pass through number 2, and there's Pipa, and this is our Ifugao house right here. This is where we're staying. This is our place. There's Fifi and Mommy. Let's show them what we have down here. So we have our own seating area, our own lounge area right here. But check this out, guys. There's a light, and we also have outlets. Outlet here and an outlet here. I have a nice little work area right there. Okay, but look at our view, guys. So we have a lounge area here, and then check out this pool. It's an infinity pool. We're gonna go in here and we're gonna go upstairs. These are traditional homes. Okay, so you go up here so you can see the roof. Okay. And then we go in, and this is it. It's like a little hut. It's like a hut, guys. There's more, I'm not sure what is in here, but you know, you can hang out here, put more beds up there. Okay, there's the roof. And how many beds do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, and then the main one, 4. Okay. Also, we have, of course, the light. We have a fan, and I don't know if you can see it, but there's an air conditioner, an AC unit right there. So that's inside the Ifugao house. All So now we're gonna go downstairs. You just gotta be careful because it's pretty steep. Okay, I'm gonna show you the pool area. Okay, let's go over here. And then we have another seating area right here. That's pretty cool. There's the pavilion that we were at earlier. And then look, glass, so you can actually see in here. See? And I don't know if I told you guys this, it's heated. The pool is heated, guys. Heated pool, especially around this area. See, it's all glass pool, all glass. And then there's the shower room. It's a good view of where we're staying right there. That's our Ifugao house right there. That's the infinity pool right there. Got bamboo here. So over here, you just come in through here. We have the women's restroom. There's a sauna. This is a shower. And this is the men's restroom right here. See how it looks. Turn on the light. Okay, so it's nice and clean. You don't have to worry about a dirty bathroom. It's clean in here. And then a shower. Heated shower. So we're gonna go up these stairs here, guys. And they have lounge areas right here. It's a good angle of the pool. Nice infinity pool. Let's do a low angle of the infinity pool. Okay. All right. You ready to go swimming?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have a fish.
That's cool. What do you think, guys? Would you stay here? There. There's Mommy